Evening, oh Bobby Two Pops breaks. It is Friday, February the 4th. We're breaking bomb box full size helmets. We randomed up our 21 remaining box and numbers. Number 2 was what we got. We did random teams for this on your left. We've already randomized teams, randomized the customers, alphabetized everybody, gave them a chance to trade. Had a few offers and nothing going down though, folks. And this is not what I wanted, guys. I'm really hoping it's going to be a placeholder for you. We've only got 2 cash boxes left, so I'm really hoping. Oh, here we go. Bam! That is going to be a Denver hit with Javonte Williams, Lunar Authentic. Let me grab that, guys. There it is. Well, he should be the lead back in Denver there, man. Everybody's hot on the kid. Melvin should be gone there, so. But you got Bam going to be Javonte Williams, Lunar Authentic, Beckett Witness hologram on that one, guys. Hey guys, nothing wrong with the SIG. It's just that light glare's bad on them white helmets, but SIG's perfectly fine there, folks. Who is Denver? Wow, man. J-Mix racked it up last couple nights. That's actually the 3rd helmet in a row for J-Mix, guys. I'm sorry, everybody else. Congrats to Mr. J-Mix, though. Had a rough outing at first, Spanky. Hopefully we can get you on one of these runs here. Few of you others on some of these runs. Last couple nights have been double hitters, man. Drew hit a double on the night before. J-Mix hit a double last night. Now starting off the night tonight with the first box. Let me get the placeholder out. Get that sucker in the box. So that is. Well, again, J-Mix, you had a rough start, but you went on a little whirl there. Pulled one of his out. Bam. Got a 4, folks. We do take a 4 or higher. Well, Dog's going to get the double qualifier there, guys. 4 times. Qualifier 107, 108. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Brits.